are team number 4747, MrRoboto for First Leg of League Robotics. I am Tyler, this is Curtis, Ian, Noah, and we are here to share our project for Nature's Fury. Here's Curtis with an explanation of the problem.
A common form of nature's fury in our area is hurricanes. These hurricanes are tropical storms causes lots of problems such as power outages, destroyed homes, and loss of resources. Our focus will be on power outages. We came to the conclusion of power outages because all of our team members agreed that power outages are the most pronounced problem not only in our lives to this point, but in our local area. Power outages are not only a local problem, but a widespread problem as well. During Superstorm Sandy, over 7.8 million people were out of power from Maine to the mid-Atlantic states. This included Maryland. You may think of power outages as harmless, but an extended time of no power causes a lot of problems. For one, people may or may not be able to use their phone for emergency calls because it has no power. Or the food and medicine you store in your fridge may become inconsumable because the fridge has no power. Think about it. What if you lost these things? How much would it cost to replace them? Here's Tyler with an explanation of our solution.
Our solution to fix the problem Curtis explained is to use a hydroelectric generator connected to a downspout which will let the water pass through the generator during a rainstorm and turn it into usable energy to be used during power outages. The generator works like the one we have here. In the generator you have a magnet that also has coils of wire wrapped below it. Whenever the magnet spins, it moves the electrons through the coils of wire and out the metal spokes at the end. To just have usable energy flowing to one certain thing, like an outlet or an appliance, you must use alternating current. To charge a battery, which is what our solution consists of, you must let the power pass through a charge converter into direct current. By hand, this generator will collect about 1.7 volts, which does not sound like a lot, but if you multiply the generators throughout the downspouts on your house, you can generate more. The generator here came off of the dishwasher because we could not get the proper materials to do it the way it would be done in real life. But the concept is still the same. Now here's Ian with the cost and manufacturing information.
As said before, our solution consists of two main components, the generator and the downspout. Our solution would use the existing downspout of a house instead of a completely new one. This would save money and cost and would make the solution much easier to manufacture. The generator will consist of 16 magnets with 16 coils of 13 feet of wire. Two setups on either side of the downspout to generate the most amount of energy. You also have the cost of running the power generated to a battery to charge. The cost for that would be about $20. The more batteries you want to charge, the more it would cost. The cost of this for each generator would come out to be about $90. There will also be a cost for labor. A professional will be needed to install this generator into the downspout. We estimated this cost at $100 per house. This is much cheaper than an average gasoline-powered generator, which on average costs anywhere from $400 to $1,000. And the household user also needs to pay to run the generator and will have to start it outside. And storms are usually bad enough that you will not want to go out into nature's fury to start the generator. Now to Noah, who will explain how our idea is innovative and explain existing solutions.
One of our first questions with this idea was, had it already been made? Patents are public knowledge and can be searched at the click of a button. Using Google Patent Search, we made a thorough search of patents. The most similar idea and only idea we found close to our solution was patent from China. The inventors from China used the same type of hydroelectric generator, but it had a holding tank for the water, unlike our idea, which just replaced part of the downspout. Our idea also stems from a hydro plant, similar to the Hoover Dam. We also looked at how innovative our idea is. Our idea takes renewable energy from rain and uses it to create power. No one that we found after our research has done this with rainwater from storms, and then use it to keep their lives going in time of disaster. Our idea is an improvement upon survival. During natural disasters, it may not save a massive amount of lives, but it will save some, and in the long run, money too.
And that is our project and solution for FLL Nature's Fury. We would love to hear from you to make our idea better. If there's any questions, comments, or concerns, please comment